Hey, introducing Auto Commissions Jacker. Auto Commissions Jacker is a brand new all-in-one app which hijacks the top videos and websites for free viral traffic. Imagine the possibility of sending out done for you emails for well-prepared promotions for launch products already. Now, all of these emails have already been written by top seven-figure copywriters, so you don't have any fear if your mails will ever convert and leads to sell. So with Auto Commissions Jacker, you have guaranteed money in the bank with your affiliate promos. Of course, you also know how difficult it is to build leads and monetize leads, but with Auto Commissions Jacker, you have all of these handled for you. Join me as I take you on to the Auto Commission Jacker dashboard. Right on Auto Commission Jacker dashboard, all you need to do, create a list first. So join me as I create the first list. Of course, right on the create a list page here, all you need to do, you have to give your list a name. So let's say we have a promo we want to set up, and we are saying for all those that come through this campaign, I want to promote cloud funnels to them. I can also connect these to either my Aweber, my MailChimp, my Sendlane, or ActiveCampaign, and have it directly connected to my autoresponder. And of course, if I don't have any of these, Auto Commissions Jacker handles everything right on autopilot for me. So I'm using the Auto Commission mail handling system right here. So once we scroll down, I can of course leave this at default. Of course, leave my select list. All I need to do is create contact list. So because I want to promote our cloud funnel offer right inside of Auto Commission Jacker, and if I find it difficult doing a review video, I could leverage on other existing review videos. So I have it open up here. I can just come over and pick any of the review videos right here. I could just come over, right click on this, copy this link address, come back to my Auto Commissions Jacker, drop in my video URL. Once you drop it there, it identifies it as YouTube. I could just come over and hit an add video. Great, I already have my video added. At this point, I can then come over to our component on the left hand, our component flow right there, get over to the next element which has to do with widgets. So I want to go over select widget because I want to build leads right from this video review. I'll go over and select opt-in. So once I get opt-in, I can say when do I want my opt-in element overlay to come in. Is it 2 or seconds into the video or 3 seconds into the video? So I could state that. I could also have my headline right here. So my headline could be offering a bonus. So right here on my headline, I say, hey, get instant bonus worth $3,750 now. And on my description, I said only provide a valid email here. So I want to scroll over and select my contact list. The contact list we just created is Cloud Funnels. So I've just selected that. I can also press the option for them to be able to skip or set a duration for this. But once I'm done here, all I need to do is hit on Save Player. So once done that, I can also come over to see the share tool right here. So on my share tool, I can of course copy this share URL. I could also come over to copy this embed code to embed it on any existing website. I can come over to select this and see how this looks like if you choose to preview it. So right on preview, you could see how this is going to look like. Hey, get instant bonus worth $3,750 now. Only provide a valid email here. So once you put your email, you submit this, your email lead has been captured. But doesn't end here. Let's then go over to see how Auto Commission Jacker can get this over and get started with a campaign. So let's go over to the dashboard. So right on this campaign dashboard, you could also get to see the entire analytics. You can of course see the entire clicks if there have been any. But now we want to go over to create a campaign. So come over here and activate campaign. And activating campaign, you certainly find several done for you campaigns you could select from. And because we want to promote cloud funnels, I have one here. So on the cloud funnels, notice here you can activate a campaign now, and if you've not gotten what we call the affiliate link, which is your own or special link, which will bring about the entire revenues, the money you'll be making from those who will be seeing your campaigns, then you need to hit here to request link. So we go ahead, hit to request link. So right here on Jervizu, if you've not gotten a link, you will see an option where you can request link. But if you've gotten link already, you can then come over here and say get links. So at this point, I can just come over, copy my link, come back to my auto commission jacker. On my auto commission jacker right now, I want to say activate now. So on activate now, see where you have the affiliate link. You're expected to paste your affiliate link there. Then your affiliate sender name, whatever you want to use as your affiliate sender name right there. So you could just have it here, which I post right there. And on your email sender, you could also have the same thing right there, whatever you want to use. Then your sending interval should always start with 0 for your first email campaign, which is actually from the first day. So whoever enters into your opt-in form will get this first mail. So hit on activate now to have that completed successfully. So right here you can find the campaign, and you can also go over to check up the follow-up mail that will be going on the next day after the earlier mail has been sent out. You can preview it right here. So once you preview and you're okay with that, you can of course check settings and see the interval. This will be sent one day after. You can also come over to edit settings. You can edit it right here. This is the configuration we had earlier. So if there's any modification, you can do that and save it. So we have to close this, and once you do that, you can then come over to hit live, and you will see this in action. So like right on live, you'll notice that you see your live email that will be sent out to whoever gets into your campaign, and that's it. So we'll hit close it right there. So we have a campaign running. All right, so let's go test our campaign in action. So right here I have the URL, which is the CloudFunnel URL set up, and this was set on autoplay. And as I'm viewing this pops up for me to put an email address. So let's say I have this email address right there, and I submit this. It processes that. I can go ahead, watch my video review video right there. I'm seeing all these.
That's going to help you,
videos.
as the name suggests,
do that. But now
so
what happens is just watching this video alone, Auto Commissions Jacker has already been sent to work because I've provided my email address. See what then happens. Great, so you can see here right inside of your inbox, you have the mail coming through here that says live, use CloudFunnels to create profitable niche agency website, plus my bonuses. This is that powerful effect coming with our auto commissions jacker. So you could see this just happening some 0 minutes ago. Right inside of your inbox, you have that handled by auto commissions jacker. So when you scroll down and click on any of the links you have right inside here, it's going to be redirected to your set affiliate link. So I could come over here, click on it. So you have it straight to the sales page, which will allow you to get your commissions right. So that's how interesting it can go with Auto Commissions Jacker. So let's go over to the Auto Commissions Jacker dashboard and see some other powerful tools we can get over with Auto Commissions Jacker. Next, let's see how we can use Auto Commission Jacker to build leads leveraging on authority website. Right here, I can come over to tools, get over to set brands. So right on my, so we have this in here. You can also go ahead to change the brand logo right there. So once you're done, you can set other parameters and you can hit our update brand. So once you have that updated, next you need to come over to create call to actions. So to create call to actions, we hit, although I could also say I want to specify my placement to center. I could also come over and select my teams. I could use a promo blue because I have right there. So once you have that set up, I could come over here and hit the next. So in my next, I'm expected to, of course, set up my content right there. So depending on what I want to promote, so you can see right here on my headline, I have, hey, How about I share you an instant bonus worth $375, and in my content description it says will grant you access to a funnel building tool which will help you make some more money online. Of course, anyone will be interested in this. So I will now copy my affiliate link right there and come over and drop it right inside of my link there, and on my click here I could say claim your instant bonus now, right? So I have that right there. Next, you can come over here and next. So at this point you can play around with your background color, your text color, your headline color, and of course your buttons. So let's play around with the buttons a little. So on the button background I could say I want to work with red. So at this point I could come over here and hit on next. So if I have my Facebook tracking, I could also drop it there. My Twitch tracking, I could also drop it there and hit and create. So at this point, once you've gotten to this level, you could also go over to the tools you have right here. You can select the type. Notice here that my call to action type here is link. I could also have it as a button, which is what I did. I've set the red as well as the white on the font. I could also have this as an image. If I have an image, I add it there. If I have a video, I could also have a video shown right there. If I want an opt-in form, I could also set an opt-in form right there. So I think we should have this as an opt-in form, and that's looking good. So we've set that. I hit the next. Again, I need to select my brand, so I have this brand selected right there. So I could go over and hit on next again. And of course I can then say create this. So I have successfully created a new call to action which you can find right inside here. So all I need to do right now to leverage an authority website, I need to come over to links, and links I hit an add link. So in one of such authority website, it could be a news portal or an entertainment portal, or whatever content portal that really gets authority from a wide audience. So let's say I'm working with Mashable, and on Mashable I want to pick a very trending content right here. Let's say I want to work with this. I could just come over, copy that particular link and bring it over to my auto commissions Jacker, drop the link right there. Next I hit and create link. So right on my create link, I'm expected to select my call to action. So I select my call to action and to select this. So that's my call to action, which I'll be having right inside of this site. So once it's done, I can come over and hit and save. So right there I have my link updated. I could also come over to set my URL. So with my URL, I can confirm this is right. I can also confirm all of these is right. Next, I would need to come over to my shared link. So all I need to do is copy the shared link, and that's what I would then use to share across other viral channels, as well as use it to send out as mail. I could say here's the latest news that was published in Mashable, and right inside of that news I already have my promo offer, which has it, hey, how about I grant you access to $375,000 worth of bonuses, right? So that's really intriguing. So let's just test this on a new browser. Right, so I have a new website calling up right there. So see right there, it pops open, and all I need to do is just fill in an email address, and once I fill that in, hey, how about I grant you access to 3,550 worth of bonuses. I could just hit and subscribe, and it does the magic for me. And of course, using Trump as a title trigger or a subject trigger, of course, will definitely win you the attention. And that's exactly what Auto Commission Jacker helps you to achieve, leveraging on authority site, authority content, and building your leads right from it, as well as monetizing. So that's a quick flow with the use of Auto Commission Jacker right here. Thank you.